Welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you the latest construction update from Disneyland Paris. And this time we're teaming up with DLP Works to give you an even closer look at everything happening behind the scenes. From new developments to ongoing projects, let's dive into what's changing around the resort right now. Gazebo Garden at Walt Disney Studios is getting a magical update. The central gazebo, a replica from the 1964 Mary Poppins film, is now being finished in a signature green tone. 4 statues of beloved English characters are coming soon. Peter Pan, Pongo, Winnie the Pooh, and Mary Poppins. Freshly painted stone-style walls now border the garden, blending into the landscape. Paving work is nearly done, shaping the final layout of this charming garden space. Adventure Bay is taking shape with more exciting progress. The East Pavilion is being painted with detailed Art Nouveau designs to match the overall style of the expansion. While the dome on top is still to come, the building will eventually house a 100-seat fast food spot and a lake management room. In front of the pavilion, the nearby merchandise kiosk is almost complete, now surrounded by ornamental plants. Stone materials for the edging of the central parterre are ready for installation next to it. Meanwhile, structural wooden planks for a second kiosk near the Tangled Spin attraction are already in place on scaffolding. Big progress is happening at World of Frozen in Walt Disney Studios. A partially themed boat matching the land's architecture and colors is being tested near the lake, suggesting it's getting close to operational. A new exterior terrace with a kiosk has also been added, as seen in recent permits. Landscaping continues with new trees planted near the Arendelle facade and southern berm. In the central square, new themed lampposts have been installed, designed to fit Arendelle's warm and elegant style. Around the lake, each lamppost is uniquely themed to reflect nearby lands like the Lion King and Regal View. A wooden framework is now going up between the village buildings and the nearby rockwork. On the North Mountain, snow theming continues and the crane has been removed for now. The iconic ice castle is set to arrive this summer. Finally, the rear berm has grown, helping to block sound and views from outside the land. Zoom in on the Regal View restaurant and lounge at Walt Disney Studios Park. Scaffolding is gradually coming down, revealing beautifully refreshed facades in soft beige tones, inspired by elegant Art Nouveau design. Painted floral details now enhance the architecture, adding a refined and storybook charm. The oxidized green roof ties in with Frozen's Nordic palette, reinforcing the royal aesthetic of the area. Located at the heart of Adventure Bay, the Regal View will offer table service dining with Disney princesses. A panoramic glass wall will provide stunning views over the lake, the perfect spot to enjoy the upcoming water shows. Even the surrounding lampposts and benches follow the Royal Art Nouveau style, making the entire setting feel truly enchanting. World Premiere Plaza at Walt Disney Studios Park is nearing completion. A new digital screen is now in place to show real-time entertainment schedules for Disney Adventure World. The area is being upgraded with new paving, themed lighting, speakers, Wi-Fi, and landscaped planters. The iconic Partners statue has been installed at the center of the plaza, its silhouette already visible despite protective wrapping. Under the Animagique Theater canopy, a bold new mural in blue and yellow now features Mickey's silhouette, with more character designs expected soon. That's it for this week's construction updates from across Disneyland Paris, brought to you in collaboration with DLP Works. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back soon in a brand new video with more progress and updates from the resort.